Lufa cylindrica plant. Good afternoon, everyone. My name remains Dr. Oduwole Hussein Kenny. I'm a Chinese trained phytotherapist. Uh, Let me take you around the world of sponge. This is a great plant we call konkon ibile, or you call it konkon ayaba in Yoruba language. It's a plant that produces a fruit that looks like sponge. Let me tell you, in some places they use this sponge in bathing. Yes, though it is used for scrubbing pots, plates, even for household things. This same sponge you're seeing with me, a plant produces it. Also, it's also used in some places as bathing sponge. That means you already have your sponge from the plant. But today, I want to tell you what the seed, the leaves, and the plant can do. The seeds are greatly blessed. They can treat every kind of skin diseases, skin problems, pimples, boils, eczema, acne, leprosy. Even it's also used in expelling worms. Also help in treating hemoptysis, blood coughing. Though we are coming back to this, stay tuned on my channel because today I want to teach you about blood coughing. A lot have been crying like somebody just died, cough blood. But today I'll give you the real therapy today and how it happens. This same seed also works as anti-aging. Now the leaves of this great sponge plant, which we call koinkoayaba in Yoruba language, also known as Lufa cylindrica. The leaf have great antioxidant, antimicrobial properties. It also helps in treating bronchitis, sinusitis. Even in some cases, it can also help in treating hormonal disorders. Even those women that doesn't even ovulate at all, even not to even talk of getting pregnant, the leaves is also helpful. Also help in treating tuberculosis when added to some certain plants. Can I also tell you this leaf can also help in treating conjunctivitis? In the olden days, our forefather always used the drop from the leaf. Yes, let me say the sap, a bit, drops in the eye. It treats conjunctivitis perfectly. But you need your doctor's guidance before using all this, please. It also helps in treating typhoid, malaria, also very effective for hemorrhoid, etc. Also great in removing dead skin infection. So it's very, very effective for skin also. So now you know the benefit of Lufa cylindrica plant, Koinkoayaba. Stay tuned as I teach you more about how to use it in treating hemoptysis, blood cough. I remain yours, Dr. Oduwole Hussein Kenny. For more details or inquiries on this, contact me on 070866555316, 09135498337. You can also like us on Facebook, Dr. Oduwole or Dr. Kenny Phytotherapy Clinic. On YouTube, Dr. Oduwole. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Twitter. Please always share, like, and comment. I always like to bring you the easiest medicine or remedy for all ailments and diseases. Because some will tell me, Doctor, these herbs are so difficult to get. So I'm trying to bring something so easy that have been used in the olden days by our forefathers. And I tell you, it's still working up to date. Good luck.